All right, so let's talk about managed file storage. There are no pretty graphics for this one. It's all just text here, but let's make sure we understand what it is. It's an alternative to compute engine disk persistent block storage. And so there are many managed solutions that Google is either partnered with or provide, I think, directly for more volume options, okay, or disk management options. So we have Firestore Basic, Firestore Zonal, Firestore Regional, Google Cloud NetApp Volumes, Google Cloud Managed Lustre for partners. So these managed solutions, I believe, are managed by Google, right? So if you ever heard of NetApp, that would be a means to which you'd get NetApp, and one of the easiest ways there. Let's take a look at partnered solutions. So you can directly work with NetApp and use ONTAP, Nasuni, Cloud File Storage, Syscom Storage fueled by IBM. And so when would you want to use these solutions? When you have lots of storage and you want Google or a partner handling all the storage operations. It provides additional flexibility for storage features and configuration. If you're not really into storage, you might think, okay, I don't really understand, but there's a lot of functionality that you can tweak when you are utilizing these things that go well beyond compute engine disk persistent block storage, okay?